What's up guys, and welcome back to another Crypto Royal video. Today's topic will be NexusWealth. We will talk about this amazing project that's coming from the US. They're in the pre-sale right now, and you will hear all the benefits and all the features that they are actually offering to the community. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, NexusWealth Investment Solution is in front of you. But before we continue, you need to know that I'm not your financial advisor. Nothing in this video is financial advice, and everything that I'm doing here is for your education and for your entertainment. That means that you need to do your own research before any investment of yours. With that said, we can continue, and right now guys, as you can see, NexusWealth or NWIS is in front of you. So this platform aiming to revolutionize access to real-world investment using blockchain asset tokenization. What is the problem, guys, with the current situation in the market is that traditional investment management and financial services providers are actually very expensive, exclusive, and completely illiquid. So the only investment product that is available to retail investors are indexed funds, ETFs, and are managed by large asset management companies like BlackRock, so Vanguard and State Street. Also, index funds tends to have low risk and very low return. Annual fee are between 0.03 to 0.25% of total investment regardless of the performance, which means, guys, even if index fund lose value, the retail investor still pays 0.03 to 0.25% to their investment to the asset management companies. That's how they earn money. So other investment products such as specialty funds, hedge funds, real estate, and private equities are not available to the retail investors, require large upfront investment, and also have much higher fees and require a lot of paperwork that are purposely complicated and also confusing. So in the summary of all of this, they have high minimum capital requirement, slow and expensive process, limited access, lack of transparency, unfair profit sharing, and also little liquidity, meaning your money is stuck in there. The section 2 is what actually means, what NexusWealth and what they are actually offering. So NexusWealth is aiming to the industry, and by tokenizing real-world investment products, NexusWealth will remove all barriers and will make these products accessible, affordable, liquid, transparent, and completely efficient. So what makes NexusWealth different from others is that there are few things that where they actually stand out, and first one is real-world asset backing model, a blockchain-based ecosystem for investing, trading, and governments, global access for anyone who passes KYC AML, smart contract automate profit distribution and operations, also lower overhead means more profit stays with investors and transparent on-chain ownership. So all of those things are really important. And also, what is the token utility or NWIS token? And first one, governments and voting is the first one. Staking and yield bearing is there. Collateral to unlock equity, which can be used as collateral for a DeFi loans on NexusWealth platform. So instead of selling the tokens, you can borrow against them, giving access to their equity while still holding long-term ownership, which is great. And every token is backed by real economic activity happening in the NexusWealth ecosystem. So, what is important, the project is structured and registered company with a real business model. So, legal information in multiple jurisdictions, smart contract audits by Certic, where you can find it also in the documents, team verification badge by Certic, real asset backed structure rather than speculation, and that's what this actually mean. Now guys, let's go to the website where you can see something about them right here. So their team and also NexusWealth. Bunch of things are coming soon. They're in the pre-sale, so this is still the earliest phases of the project. So overview is their principles, leadership, history, and sustainability. So first guys, by scrolling down, you can see transparency, innovation, global access, and growth are the main features that they are offering to us. So in the document section, there are great things that you can find. First guys, white paper, really important for you to read. That's why I'm encouraging you to do your own research. With reading the white paper and understanding what they are offering, you can have better knowledge for the project, and you actually know in what you are potentially investing. Tokenomics explained here very well, guys, also right here. So token purpose and liquidity, I gone through that, but let's don't forget it first. Government's rights, platform access, staking and incentives, and compliance controls. So token distribution, 60% is going for the pre-sale, treasury 20%, team and advisory 15%, and marketing 5%. So you can go in depth also right here. There's some legal documents that is really important for you to read. First one, guys, token bar disclaimer is right here, so you need to read it, guys. I'm encouraging you to do this because it's really important. We don't want to go into something without understanding all the disclaimers that are set and that are done by them. So no investment or equity rights, purpose of the token and no expected profits, regulatory compliance, restriction of the US person. You need to know and understand all of this. That's my suggestion for you to understand it. The purchase agreement is also there, purpose and intent, purchase terms, which you can find right here, representation of the purchaser, also token utility and the governance, transfer restriction, risk disclosure, and that's all of it. Also there is a risk factor and disclaimer. Also read it, guys, stay in touch with it, understand it, how it works, so you know what you're actually doing, and also regulatory position statement. With all of this, guys, I explain you what this actually means, what you can expect from the project. Right now, guys, I'm going to their pre-sale page. I connected my wallet in the upper right corner, so let's take this now. I'm going to invest into this. I'm not encouraging you to invest into anything. I'm going to explain you how you can do it. All other decisions, especially financial, if you want to buy something, are on you. So right now, guys, you can see you can buy it with Ethereum, USDT, and USDC. I'm going to click USDT and I will buy it for 75 USDTs. So I need to approve the USDT. Once that's done, my MetaMask is going to ask me for the permission. So spend cap request. This site wants permission to withdraw your account. You're giving else permission to spend amount from the okay, I'm going to confirm it. Once that is done, you can view the transaction, and once that is done, you can see review the transaction, which is important. Once you do that, here you can see view token purchase agreement. That's what I talked about. So you can see amount to pay 75 NewIS token to receive 75,000 new NWIS tokens. Estimated gas fee is there. The transaction cannot be undone. Please ensure the details are correct before confirming. So you need to view the token purchase agreement and you need to read it. That's also what I showed you on the website. So token purchase agreement is there. So NexusWealth Foundation, non-profit entity organized under the laws of British Virgin Island. That's the issuer, so the individual or entity execute on the agreement. That's important. Purpose and intent: the purchaser agreed to buy and the issuer agrees to sell. Tokens are not securities and do not represent equity or ownership and carry no profit sharing, dividend, or distribution rights. Purchase terms: you can see you're buying token for 0.001 per token, payable in Ethereum, USDT, and USDC as is set also. Representation of the purchaser, so they have to read, which I'm reading it right now. Token utility and governance, so voting and on proposal, participating in community governments, access certain features within the ecosystem. Tokens grant no right to company equity, no claim on assets, and no entitlement to profit. That's really important to know. There are risk disclosure that you need to read, governance law, and dispute resolution, liability elimination, and also entire agreement. So here you can see government's token policy, nature of governance token. So definitely, guys, read it, understand it, how it works, have that in mind, because this is something that will have much more things, and this will happen much more in the crypto space because it's becoming much more and much better regulated, which is actually great for us, because there will be much lesser and lesser scams. With all of these, guys, they're showing that they completely are here for their community. They're completely legit. Once all of that is done, I just need to click buy NewIS token one more time. So also, guys, if you do not have enough Ethereums in your for the gas fees. You can just click here, guys, and you will be able to adjust to the low speed where there are the fees gas are actually lower. Once all of that is done, I set the speed, I can confirm the transaction. Once that is done, you'll be able to see that I'm sending directly to them and I will receive 75,000 NWIS token. So close the extension, transaction details, you can also view it on the Etherscan. Once all of this is done, success, your purchase has been done. Right now, guys, I'm the proud owner of the NWIS token. So I will be able to use it for staking for the governments, and I will be able to set and check my portfolio. One more thing is there, guys, and there are their amazing quests. By scrolling down, you can see early investor quests. You need to connect the wallet, guys. I'm going to connect my wallet one more time since I already bought it, connect it, and you can see that the reward is 5,000 NWS tokens. Social medias are also there. You can start the quest. So follow them on X, which is great stuff, and it's really cool. So here, guys, you can see they have 130 followers. They're still at the beginning. As I mentioned, they are the early project in the early stages. So you can see their team verification is complete. You can check out and view their DAO dashboard, which is actually great. So follow them, guys, click this button so you will turn on the notifications and also stay alert about all of the tweets that they are tweeting on X and stay completely updated. Also, guys, you need to follow them on Instagram, guys, and once you do that, you will be able, you can see, follow both accounts, create and post tagging NWIS, and also submit the links to your post below. So once all of this is done, guys, you will be able to be rewarded with 10,000 NWIS token or NWIS token. Also, guys, let's go through their roadmap where you can see they divided it in 5 different phases. The first one is foundation and community building. It's Q3 of 2024 until Q3 of 2025, which is foundation, inception and white paper release, smart contract development and audit, and also website launch and community building marketing. In the phase number 2, marketing and ICO, which is Q4 of 2025, and you can see DAO token, pre-sale launch, team expansion, and enhancing legit framework for real-world asset integration. Phase number 3 is coming in the Q1 of 2026, which is NWIS token listing, token holders access, and strategic investment paths, partnership expansion, and government's platform launch. Phase number 4 is audit reports and government's decentralization. So first third-party audit is going to be published, and cross-chain compatibility is coming, which is government's integration, earning reports, and exponential growth is coming in the phase number 5, and it's Q4 2027 and beyond. So expansion to the new global investment categories, and this token will utility full expansion, quarterly audits and earning reports, and global regulatory compliance. So if you want to learn more, guys, visit their official website. You will have all the links in the description. Stay safe in the crypto space, check all of the educational videos, and please in the comment section below tell me what do you think about the Nexus Wealth. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.